Okay, so I had just stepped away from my computer and I came back to find this window open, a System 32 window that was open. Now, as part of my targeting, my perpetrators like to use the number 32. Usually I'm bombarded with a car license plate with a number 32 in it if I'm driving. Indication when that's not happening, again, it's they're using some type of, the number 32 is a trigger, okay, to whatever type of anchor that they have attached that trigger to. Usually, I really don't know, but I do know whenever I see they start using the number 32, there is very heavy police activity, particularly again on the weekend that I have to go and pick up my eldest son in the Bronx. They will constantly bombard me with the number 32. As to what does it means, I don't know. Whatever trigger it's supposed to, whatever the effect of that number 32 trigger is, they've been using it for years, and so I guess they know, but I really don't. But just again, another example of how they target you using your computer. Okay, so like I said, I stepped away from my computer. I did not open up this window, this System 32 window. I know that I didn't open it up, and I returned. This window was open, the System 32 with the there is something highlighted. Well, it's in blue. Everything else is in black. The lettering folder, each folder, as you can see, each folder is in black lettering, but there is a particular folder that says DRV Store. Now, I'm wondering if that coincides with, I had to go to a Micro Center, which is a computer store today. I had bought a CPU and a motherboard, and I was doing some troubleshooting. I had to return the motherboard because I thought it had an issue with the motherboard because the computer would not post. And so I took the motherboard back, came back, installed the components again, and the same thing happened. So I'm assuming now, I was talking to the tech support online, and they did tell me to bring in the all the components that I'm using and bring it to their tech support, and they will have a look at it for me. So, which is what I'm about to do. So maybe this is some sort of subliminal message to me about going into that store. But whatever subliminal message it is, I don't get it, and I don't want to know. So I'm going to go back to the store. Micro Center is in Queens, and I'll see what happens. Okay, but again, just want to give a good a video of how they target you online and how they access your computer and open up folders and a whole bunch of stuff. Because again, that folder, you have to go into subfolders. As you can see, you'll have to go into the local disk and then into the Windows and then into the System 32 to open up that folder. So if it's something that I did, I would remember doing it. Okay, and usually I don't open up any folders within those systems, within the Windows system, because those are folders that have components in there for the operating system to use that you do not want to mess with, and so I don't usually do that. So this is their attempt to send me some sort of subliminal message